Come test drive the 2017 Equinox. Fuel efficiency, safety, and value equals the Chevy Equinox. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, air conditioning, floor mats, anti-theft security system, cruise control, daytime running lamps, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.